Hey, this is Danielle, and today we're going to make some easy pool party favors. Okay, so today I'm working with these. I'm trying to make just a thing to go around them that says the kid's name, because these are party favors for them to take with them or possibly to use at the party. I'll probably make a decision depending how I'm feeling about managing children trying to hit each other with water guns the whole pool party. But so what I've done is I've added each child's name in writing, which is writing. So this is all going to be Smart Sticker Cardstock, and we're going to use a pen, 0.3-inch pen, for each of these. Now, the one thing I want to mention is I have had to attach all of the lettering. So I attached this to this white piece right here, and I can't click attach because I only have one hand. But once I click both of these, I'm going to click attach so that it draws it on here. This piece, this dark blue piece, is going to get placed on top. So I'm just going to have to center it so this shows up. So it'll be white Smart Sticker Cardstock, blue Smart Sticker Cardstock, and it's going to have this little cutout because this is actually a slice, not a white piece. And then it's going to have these light blue ones as well. So let me get started. Okay, so now I've got these all ready. I've saved it. You'll be able to use my file. We're going to do these all off the mat because they are all Smart Sticker Cardstock. And as you can see, white. I am missing one here, so I got to figure out which one I did. But white, and it's got the name on each one. And we're going to have to change this to a 13-inch mat or 12-inch mat, whatever it is. So that way it'll separate out here. Once I figure that out, I'm going to come back and do this. Yeah, I figured it out, Charlie. That's the one. This will all print off on one small area because it's just the splashes, and then these are the blue pieces. And you can see it looks like there's lines through. It's not. It's just the fact that it's sliced out, so you can't really see what's going on here. So I did go around and just move some things around because it only added 3 of these to each sheet. So I added one off this blank sheet here and just reversed the size or the direction of it so it would fit. And I did that here and then here as well. So this is just to save on the paper, which is fine. And then there's only 2 in this one, which is going to drive me nuts. So, but then I did the same thing with the dark blue. So at this point I can go ahead and get started. I am going to continue. We are going to choose Smart Sticker Cardstock and you apply that to all of the things because that's what we're using for all of them. So we're going to do this. Remember material settings, and we're going to load a 0.4-inch pen. Okay, so I'm going to go get started. So all I'm doing is loading my pen in as well as my white Smart Sticker Cardstock, and it'll go ahead and write everyone's names and also cut the piece out. Okay, so I'm going to use this section, hopefully, to cut the little section of the little splashes, just because I wanted to make the most use out of this. Okay, and last but not least, we are doing the dark blue with the cutout in the middle. Okay, so we've got our cutout right here. Whee! And actually, if we want, we could save the little horse here for a different project if we really wanted. But we are going to take this, we're going to flip this back, and I am going to place it just so. There we go. And then just taking the little center from the pool float and putting it on here. So last, we can put on our little blue splashes, and the little splashes go on really, really quickly. You just pop them on there. So the last but not least, you're going to be peeling off the white piece that has all of your stickers attached to it and layered on, and it just curves right around your handle. Now you're going to have a little area that is still sticky, so I just put some blue scrap paper backing on it. There you go. So here it is. I had to make obviously a bunch of these, and here they all are. And when we're finished, I will show you what they look like and how I had them set up at the party. So make sure to check out the blog, on DIYDanielle.com, and also check out the description for any information you're looking for on the post. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Take care.